today I get to turn on the solar panels. After all the installation was done and MB Energy finally came and inspected the installation, we finally got the okay, and now I got to turn it all on. So hopefully it all goes well and this thing starts producing some power so we can cut down on our bill, because as you guys know, the rates are getting ridiculous. So here we go. All right, so I just turned on my solar panels, as you can see behind me. All right, it is on and popping. Well, I hope it's not popping, but it's on. Let me show you guys. See, there it is. It is working. Boom. So we just went solar. Hey, if you guys have any questions, by the way, if you guys have any questions on solar panels and solar systems, please reach out to me. I've been, learning this, studying this for the past 3.5 years now. And if you want some solar panels, or if you're thinking about getting them, give me a call, contact me, and I'll help you out as much as I can. All right, make sure you get the right stuff for the right price.